I'm Roger from Evannex. In this video, we're going to be talking about the installation of one of our Evannex vinyl kits. We have vinyl kits that focus on both the exterior and interior of Model 3. Our intent, of course, is to allow you to improve the look of the car and make it your own. Before we begin our installation work, it's important that you have the household tools that you'll need to get the job done. We begin the install with the center spoke cover piece for the steering wheel covers. We simply peel it off the backing and place it into the location for which it is custom fit. The best way to do this is to align on the bottom as carefully as we can. If our alignment is off, we simply pull it up and reapply it. So it's really pretty simple. We apply it in. We don't even need a squeegee. We just use our finger to apply it. Again, I'm slightly off here on the right, so I pull it up and reapply until I have the alignment properly established. I then slowly, working from the bottom upward, push this guy up and in until it fits. I then just use my fingernail to establish a good fit along the edges. And as you can see, we have our first piece properly and nicely installed. To install the side spoke, we just again pull it off the backing, very simply, just like that. We then align the side spoke beginning in this corner so that we have a very nice alignment, and along the bottom. And again, like everything else vinyl, if our alignment doesn't perfectly work, we just try it again. Once we have the bottom of the side spoke vinyl aligned with the trim and along the side edge, we simply work it up with our finger. I'm doing this one-handed just to try to give you a feel for how all this works. Moving it up as we go. We have to adjust so that we get the edges properly aligned. We can, of course, smooth as we work to be sure that we get all wrinkles and all bubbles out of the way. If you run into a wrinkle situation, one thing that you can certainly do is bring your hairdryer into play to smooth the wrinkles as you go. But in this case, that's not necessary. You can use your fingernail to press the sides into place and ultimately work toward the back. Again, one-handed operation toward the back to get everything in place. And we now have the side spoke fully aligned and in place.